Okay, what I'm up to today is replacing the scissor springs on two Victorinox Swiss Army knives, the small picture there. You can tell that these things are well worth it, 22 bucks, something like that. And a pack of 5 replacement springs was kind of expensive at 9 bucks, but really, I think they're worth it. Put these things back in service. Well, now if I can just keep my dainty little fingers out of the shot. Whoop, I think I just kicked the tripod over. That's all right. Well, let's get with it. This spring is broken. Right there's what's left of it. Here's the replacement. Let's just go ahead and put that one in first, and I'll show you the other process of taking the old spring out. There's a little hole right there. That little loop on that spring gets pressed into that hole. Easier said than done, but it is possible. Just get it started. Okay, get it started in that little pinhole there. Take your needle nose pliers, press it all the way in. Looks pretty good. Test the scissors. That's the spring back. That pair of scissors is ready to go. All right, I'm going to take the old spring out of the black handled one. I've got a really small pick. Put it down in the center of the old spring. Tap on it gently with a hammer. Needs a little more tapping. Here it is. Almost ready to come out. Wiggle it back and forth a little bit. There it is. New spring. Goes in the same orientation as the old one came out. Not much to see here. I'll come back when I got it started. All right, that took a little bit. Got that spring started. Going to press it the rest of the way in with the needle nose pliers. Sorry about the view, but these things are just so little. Squeeze it down in there. Make sure it's all the way seated in. Scissors work. Now, if you're not familiar with these knives, they're not a knife that you would take bear hunting or to a knife fight, but they're definitely handy. There's a pair of tweezers. Maybe you could pull a sliver out of the bear's paw, and a toothpick. There's a toothpick. Neat little knife. I carry it all the time. Happen to have two for some reason, but now I got spare, and I've got 3 more springs. Okay, there you have it. No big deal. Easy to do if you got small fingers. Well, that's that for this project. Thanks to the one person that watched it, and hey man, if you liked it, subscribe. Catch you on the next one.